In this video, we're going to learn what skew lines are. So skew lines were very confusing for me until I read it through and I had to visualize it. So I will try to explain it so that it's clear for you as well. So I have the definition here. So there are three criteria for what a skew line is. So the first one is that the lines do not intersect. The second one is that they are not parallel, so they don't move in the same direction. And if you don't remember what parallel lines, I believe I do have a video. You can check my geometry playlist. And then they also must be in different planes. So they must be in different directional planes. So all of these criteria have to be met in a three-dimensional space, 3D geometry. So not a two-dimensional place. So I have a nice three-dimensional picture here where I'll show you the examples of what they really are. So for instance, let's say we draw a line like this. Let me stop. So you see this line is moving in this direction. Obviously lines can move in the same direction all the way infinitely. And I do have videos on what a line is. So you see this line, and then we have, let's say we have another line here. So let's say we have another line here. So you can see this is what you call a skew line, because it can move that direction infinitely. Now just ignore this. Imagine this continues endlessly to the left, and also this continues endlessly to the right. So if you have this line here, I know I'm drawing many lines, but these are just arrows to show you the line. If you have this line that we're mentioning moving left to right infinitely, it's on the back plane. So it's in a separate plane, right? So just imagine these planes do not intersect as well, right? So if you have line 1 here, okay, so let's say we have this line 1 and line 2. There you could see that they are not parallel. They're not moving in the same direction, and they're on separate planes. So they move in different direction and they're on separate planes, and they won't intersect. So that's exactly what a skew line is. So you could draw many other examples. You could draw another line here, and then you could draw another line here. It's not a good line. So you could draw another line here. You could see this is on the bottom plane, and then you could draw another line up here. So that would be a skew line. Now, if you, let's say you draw a line here, that would not be a skew line because they're going to intersect, right? Or let's say we draw a line here, another one. This is parallel, so that's not a skew line. So it has to be on different planes. It cannot intersect, and it's in different, I'm not sure if I mentioned different planes again. So yeah, different planes do not intersect and are not parallel. And it has to happen in a three-dimensional space. So I hope this clarified. It is a bit confusing unless you visualize it. So I hope this was clear and helpful to you, and now you understand what skew lines are. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.